Hello, my name's Anne James. I'm Chief Executive of University Hospitals Plymouth, and I wanted to give you an update on how the hospital's doing and what you can do to help us. So as you know, we're now preparing for what will be one of our most difficult winters ever, and staff and volunteers have been absolutely brilliant in making sure that we're all working together with the collective effort of trying to keep everybody safe, treat our COVID patients, our urgent and emergency care patients, and now facing into the new variant, the Omicron COVID variant. What we're going to be doing is really trying to support and plan over the next couple of weeks, and we will obviously do everything we can to make sure that the pressures on our services do not adversely impact on all the other services that we are trying to run at this time. We know that we've got a high number of COVID patients across our community. Plymouth's got one of the highest rates, and that's obviously reflected in some of the staff absences and the numbers of patients coming through the hospital. And it is undoubtedly having an impact on our planned operations. And I'm really, really sorry for anyone who's been affected about this. We're trying to do our very best to make sure that we can deliver our services, but I'm sure you appreciate the demand is far exceeding our capacity, both for our staff and the ability to deal with all of those patients in the hospital. But the good news is we've been successful in securing national money for the modular theatres that are currently in the car park known as the Accelerator site. Now that's important because it will enable us to do another couple of hundred operations every month. But importantly, it will also free up space within the main hospital site, so we can then do the more complex operations that require intensive care and high dependency. But if you look on our website, you can still get updated on where we are and any other areas that we can help you with. As always, I want to say a huge thank you to all of our staff and volunteers who continue to just do a sterling effort in supporting everyone against what has been a very, very long time now within the pandemic and the pressures that we've got. And to the public, I really want to thank you and ask that yet again, you do more to continue up the great efforts that you've already demonstrated to support services and to keep each other safe. This is really about getting your booster and to wear your mask. Those are the two things that would really, really help keep you, your loved ones safe, but also will really help us across the NHS in what we know is going to be our toughest winter yet. If you do need emergency services, then of course the hospital will be there for you. But if your needs are urgent, then do please use 111 or some of the other services that can help you. And there's a whole list of those available on our website. And what we're trying to do, of course, is to work together to meet your needs and to keep people as safe as possible over this period, alongside all of our other winter pressures. I wanted to just say a little bit about the booster programme as well, if I could. Our team at Home Park with Live Well and our army of volunteers are doing the most incredible job to ensure that we really increase our capacity following the Prime Minister's announcement. And the day that this is filmed, we're expecting to vaccinate nearly 3,000 people in one day. And we've already increased our vaccination rates from about 5,500 right the way up to 16,000 in the last week. Tremendous efforts, including twilight opening hours. So we'll be doing a huge amount of work over the next couple of days. Just bear with us as we get all of those planning arrangements in place. And it's making sure that everybody across the city can get their vaccine booster and their first and second vaccine. So do look at on the website, very clear instructions about how we can help you. And if you're concerned about having your vaccination, then we're there to support you and to talk through any of those difficulties and challenges or concerns that you've got. But be in no doubt, getting your vaccine, wearing a mask, being in ventilated rooms will be the best ways to try and support us and help manage the spread of this variant. It's really important that you get your vaccine, not only to protect the NHS, but to also help your loved ones, keep them safe, and to support your local NHS. So that's really what I wanted to update you on. There'll be more updates throughout the winter, I'm sure. And again, thank you to all of our staff and to you for everything that you're doing. And Plymouth has done really, really well so far. Let's keep that going and let's look forward to brighter times. Thank you.